Hello, buddy. Yeah, it's I told you about the situation like here in Pakistan, in our culture, in subcontinental culture, the love marriage is thought to be really different, and but the things are in order. Her mother, if she doesn't like me too much, but she likes me because she know I am a spiritual guy. I love God and I follow God, and she allows her to talk to me, but meeting her without their permission would be a little difficult and would make things worse. But when I'll be in a nursing school, I can just imagine it, and that the thought of imagining it makes me happy because when she will know that I have a good way, a good career ahead, a good future, and the things which are necessary for for a person, for a guy to complete the requirements of other girl's family is his own home, his own job. These two things are important. And about my height, this is me. Maybe I'll do it shortly now because I'll have to tell you. But Michelle comes here. Michelle comes here, and but her mother, that I don't know what thinking she has. Like she want a hero or model for her, but I'm not really bad. I look good, and she loves me, and she's really happy with me. But as I'll be on a way to my future, her mother will be okay. And Michelle said to me that she will surely convey her mother, that will automatically convey her father, and the thing how I met her, I was gonna tell you, and this is like I met her on Facebook, and when I met her on Facebook, I I was like it was 1 year ago. We become friends, just friends, and I become liking her. I really liked her, and she was a godly woman. And I told her I really like you, and I want to marry you. I want to be with you. And she said that this thing is difficult. This cannot happen because she know the marriage, love marriage, is a bit different and difficult, and being in a relationship is a little bad for Pakistani people, but not too much. Things are changing, and then there comes a time. That moment, Mark, he had been supporting me from uh, back in I forgot the year 2014 and 2015 and 16. Then he disappeared, but then he come again, and just I don't know why. It was God's plan, and there came a time, there came occasion that I could meet Michelle face to face. Someone in that city in Islamabad, from her relatives, he arranged a meeting, a seminar, a spiritual seminar, a spiritual convention, and I went there. And that person who arranged it, he became a friend of me on Facebook, and he invited me that you could come, but I didn't have money. I was like, I cannot go because I have not enough money. But then Mark came for just that moment. I didn't ask him to send me money. He sent me $100, and that makes me like I was. It's automatically. It's God's vision, God's power. The true person. He's used him. He sent me $100, and I went to Islamabad. I meet her face to face. I even not do a handshake with her because it was different. But I saw her, she saw me, and we talked on phone, like on chatting, while we were watching each other. And then when I come back, she expressed her feeling. She said, "Yes, I love you too," and that was the start of our relationship. And then after that, uh, I have met her once again, and I had some money from my father. He had some bonus money from Muslims Eid, and that was the time I met her again for the second time, and that was the first time we met, and we eat together, and hold her hand. That was awesome, buddy. And I cannot even imagine my life without her. And she's the first lady I loved, and I'm in a relationship, in a pure relationship, and I want her to be last. I want to marry her, and that's why I don't want to meet her before her mother say yes, Samir is okay for you. And that's why I said when I'll be in nursing school soon in the 7th month, I could go to Karachi. I'll tell you, and I'll see what is the fees procedure, and I'll tell you about that, and we'll get admission there, and what will be the monthly fees, or what will be the gross total of annual total, like 1 year's total or 3 years total. I'll tell you, but that's easily in payments in different segments, like per monthly paying the fees. So I'll tell you, and then when I'll get some holidays, I'll get to visit her, because then her mother would know that I am an able man and I will be something. And her mother is a very godly woman. She works for her. Her father don't want her to be something to study, but her mother wants her to study. And I'm happy I met Michelle, and she's really happy I met you people. And when I sent her video, she was really happy, and I'll ask her to make a video, and she will surely make a video. And that's what I have to say, that I'm really happy I get you people. You're helping me, and I'm not just here that you're gonna help me and I'm gonna just dump on myself. One day when I'll be something, then we will start something that we could bring other people who are more lower, more poorer than me, and they are very bad situation. And we'll pray, and we'll pick people, and God can do anything, my brother. And I'm just happy I met you. I love the video of you driving all the way 15 minutes. That's really big. That's big time, and yes, it was really awesome. And I love you, buddy, and I love your family, and I love Kavik, because Kavik and her smile and the way you told her and teach her to say Miss and Miss Michelle and Mr. Samir, that got my heart, brother. Because nobody gave anybody respect here. Even our own family members, like our cousins, they never give us that much respect. But this is like this, and at 7 minutes, a big video. So I'll say that things are in order, and I'm really happy and love you and love Sister Amanda and your daddy, Mr. Hanson, and dear baby Kevin. I love her too. And soon you'll receive a video from Michelle.